Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to seamlessly integrate DocuSign with HubSpot, unlocking a powerful workflow that lets you send, track, and automate contracts directly from your CRM. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to save yourself hours of manual work, minimize errors, and create a much smoother signing process for your team and your clients. Let's get started. First up is installing the integration. This sets the foundation for everything else, so take your time with it. In your HubSpot account, look for the Marketplace icon in the top navigation bar. It looks a bit like a shopping bag. Click on this and you'll be taken to the App Marketplace, which is basically a library of add-ons that can supercharge your HubSpot experience. Now, use the search bar at the top to type in DocuSign. Once you find it, select the app, then hit that Install button. You'll be prompted to log in using your DocuSign credentials. Make sure you're using the account with your paid DocuSign plan, and note that you need to be a super admin in HubSpot to make this connection. This might sound a bit technical, but it's mostly about making sure the right permissions are in place so your documents remain secure and you get access to all the features. If your company has strict access controls, this part might take a few moments, but don't worry. Once it's done, you'll have them linked for good. With the integration in place, let's move on to sending documents right from your HubSpot records. Imagine you're inside the record for a key client or a new deal. In the middle column, look for the DocuSign card. This is basically your shortcut to launching contracts without leaving HubSpot. Click Create New if you want to start from scratch, or choose Add from Template if you already have a standard contract saved in DocuSign. Templates are great for routine agreements like NDAs or sales contracts, and they save you from repetitive copy-pasting. Next, add your recipients. You'll usually see fields to search for existing contacts or manually add email addresses. You can tailor the signing order or set specific signing options, like requiring initials or setting reminders, all without leaving HubSpot's interface. Don't forget to personalize your message. Even a brief note explaining what the contract is about can really speed up the process and reduce confusion for your clients. Once everything looks good, review the document and click Send Envelope. The term envelope is DocuSign's way of bundling documents and recipient instructions together, kind of like handing someone a folder marked urgent. Now, here's where things get really powerful: automating the entire document sending process. This is a huge time saver, especially if your business handles lots of contracts each week. In HubSpot, go to the Automation tab and select Workflows. If you've never set up a workflow before, don't worry, HubSpot walks you through each step. Think of workflows like assembly lines for your data. When certain conditions are met, actions are triggered automatically. For example, you can set a workflow to kick off when a deal reaches the contract sent stage. Add a new action, search for Send DocuSign Envelope, and you'll see options to specify the template, the sender, and other details. This means that every time a deal progresses, your contract gets sent out, no manual clicks required. This feature is available in paid HubSpot hubs, and once it's published, you'll immediately start seeing time savings, plus fewer missed contracts. And that's it. You've learned how to install and set up DocuSign inside HubSpot, send documents with just a few clicks, and automate contract sending to keep business moving fast. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below with any questions you have, and subscribe for more practical HubSpot guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.